everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a video of what I picked up from Dollar Tree and my Dollar Tree haul. I do have a few of the items around my room already, so I'm going to share that with you guys. But then I'm going to share with you guys the other things that I did pick up. So let's get started. The first thing I picked up are these super duper cute lights. I'm obsessed with them. I put some batteries in them and these shits are bright as hell. They're super duper bright. I just have to like put something here because I want it to hang like that. But these are so cute. They have bats, they have pumpkins, and then they also have these guys, these little ghosts. So I got these as well. And these light up too. They're super duper bright. I love them. So fun. And also I got these little pumpkins. So I got a set of 4 of these cute little purple pumpkins. I also got this little catch-all box. It's a box that looks like that, and I just kind of set it up. Inside has like all these like scary things. So one has a vampire, one has this skeleton thing, and I think one has something else, but I just put the skeleton. And these little pumpkins, I only found a couple of them. I didn't find like a ton. So I think it depends on your Dollar Tree and what they have in stock, but I thought these were so pretty and so cute. So I picked these up. Those bigger ones I got at Walmart. This whole thing I also got at Urban Outfitters, I believe, if you guys were wondering. So I have all of my Halloween stuff from Dollar Tree in this little baggie right here. So let's go through them. I picked up these guys. These are cute little mats. I got a little cat, and then I got a pumpkin, a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. So cute. I didn't even realize it had that stain on it. I'm so upset. I don't know if I did that or what, but turn it over. You got a clean side. So I like those. Oh, these are the pumpkins that I got. They came in a set of 4 for $1. So those were cool. And then the purple ones were cool. I got stickers for my goodie bags. I love stickers. So I kind of wanted to be different with my goodie bags this year, and not put the typical things that I normally do. So, stickers are always fun. Kids like stickers. They market this as a carvable pumpkin, but this is just like one of those like styrofoam ones. So you can like, I guess you can carve it, but yeah, it's nothing like crazy. Then I got this super cute chalkboard. I figured I can like do some like cute Halloween drawings on it or something like that. I thought that was fun. I got these little like glitter vase fillers, which I thought were cool. I can kind of sprinkle this around for flat lays or put it in a vase, you know, whatever. Then I got these little acorns. I'm so excited about these. I'm gonna do like a little fall tutorial. Like I have all of these things I'm going to use for like tutorials and like fall decor, but these are cute. I love these. So I got this cute little ribbon. I don't know why. It's just like a ribbon, 9-foot ribbon. I thought it was cool. We'll see what I'll use that for. And I got this little ribbon. They just have like little maple leaves on it, which I thought were cool. I got this from Walmart. So this is just like a face paint palette, and it's water activated. So I thought that was cool. It's not like that cream stuff. So I thought this was fun. This was $3.98, which is not bad. I thought this is cool. I do have a few of the, I forgot what brand it is, but you know, the ones that are popular during Halloween time. But then I figured this is cool in case I need to use it for anything else or won't break you out or anything. And then last but not least, I got these tongs. They're the cutest thing ever. They're so fun. They're like little skeleton bones. I love that. You can use this to toss salad, to pick up, you know, food and stuff, but I just got it for decoration purposes. So I thought that was cool. So yeah, that is my little haul from Dollar Tree. What else did I get? I don't think I got anything else. That was my first time going to Dollar Tree. I'm still gonna go. I wanna check out different ones and see if they have different things, but I love this stuff. This stuff is so cool. I'm pretty happy with the things that I picked up. I do have goodie bags. I will be doing a goodie bag video soon. Still have to find some more items for the goodie bags. I might have to check out Target because I know they have a really good dollar section. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And if I find anything else from the Dollar Tree that I think is affordable and will work well in the goodie bags this year, then I'll share with you guys. But I did pick up goodie bags from Walmart because they were 98 cents for like a pack of 24, which is awesome because I want to do 50 goodie bags. So anything that has 24 or more, I just buy 2 of them and I'm set. So So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like these Halloween videos as much as I do. I'm definitely going to be doing some decor soon, so you guys will be able to see that. And yeah, if you guys have a favorite Halloween store to shop at for treats and for decor, let me know down below. I'm definitely interested in going and seeing what you guys like to buy and stuff like that, so let me know. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you'd like to keep up with me and see all of my decor in action, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page at Reesiibabe and at ReesMUA, and I will talk to you guys in another one. See ya.